I kind of want to talk about the Truman's business. So you started this. I tried to invest, didn't get into the round, but you guys now have announced a Series A with, I think, Henkel, or I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Henkel.
Which is a much bigger soap company. So I'm curious about or cleaning products company. So I'm curious about, why is that a strategic partner? And can you talk a little about that investment?
Yeah, the Henkel investment, they led our Series A, our seed round, that closed just about a month ago, and we were reticent to even engage with Henkel. As I mentioned, a lot of investors came to us early. We had barely gotten off the ground. We gave a lot of folks the stiff arm in a polite way. Henkel was was particularly aggressive and in a friendly and persistent way. But after a few times of declining them, my co-founder, John Bostock, his former boss at GE, encouraged him to take a meeting. She knew somebody at Henkel and thought very highly of him. So we reluctantly took the meeting, and we were very skeptical going into it, but we were blown away with their self-awareness. I think that's the best way to describe it. They're obviously a large company, very resource rich, lots of IP, lots of distribution capabilities, buying power, et cetera, all the things you would think of. But what they recognized was that this change is coming to the industry, and our hands are tied. There's very little we can do, and all the things I was describing about how hard it is for a big company to move off of what makes them all that money. So they recognized the change was coming. They saw us as being a big driver of that change, and they just wanted to be part of it. So they wanted to have an investment and be part of it, but also be a resource to us. Not somebody that's telling us what to do or where to go, because we both recognize what each other brings to the table. And so that self-awareness, coupled with just their energy and passion for doing this in the space, really led us to taking that investment. It's, like I said, only a month-old investment, and the partnership's been great so far. I think this is a category we felt like needed change fast. And so, part of our reason for taking on outside capital is because we want to just go after the space as aggressively as we can. Big Ass Fans had the big exit. And believe it or not, that was 100% bootstrapped. But that was a 20-year run to get to that point. And I think there are a lot of different ways you can fund and capitalize a business, but that was incredibly admirable to me. I mean, that's really putting it all on the line. For us, we saw that and evaluated that as an option to go with slow and steady, but we felt like slow and steady had failed. With concentrates being around, and we needed something more aggressive. And like I said, we found a good partner in a very unexpected way with Henkel.
Yeah, it's refreshing to hear a big company is so open-minded like that.